Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your video format on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this video on top and I'm just going to delete this. For instance, I don't want this to show and I want the format to be like a square. So select original and select the 1:1. And you can also go by the original one, which is the format of this video. You can also go by customize and you can change the resolution yourself. So for instance, you want it to be 1920 by 1920 instead of 180. Press save and it's gonna look the same, but the size will be at 1920 instead of 1080. But that is basically it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!